Welcome back. This is round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Savanna-la-mar Primary on 5 and Mount Airy All Age on 6. Those are the correct scores. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Tashika Young of Savanna-la-mar Primary, who is up against Lexanne Morgan of Mount Airy All Age. Tashika, we begin with you. Which of these is an obtuse angle? Is it 68 degrees, 175 degrees, or 275 degrees?
175 degrees?
That's right. A man works $16 per day. How many days will he have to work to earn $176? Question passes to you, Lexanne. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 11 days. Tashika, what is 45 over 7 as a mixed number? Question passes to you, Lexanne. Want to try?
Yes, thank you. 6 and 3 over 7.
That is correct. Tashika, if $2,300 is increased by 10%, what's the new amount?
$2,530.
That's right. Tashika, what's the sum of 14.86 and 3.25?
$18.11.
That is correct. Lexanne, we're now over to you. Which of these is a reflex angle? Is it 89 degrees, 168 degrees, or 210 degrees?
168 degrees.
That's incorrect. Tashika, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 210 degrees.
That is correct. Lexanne, a student earns $28 weekly. How many weeks will he have to work to earn $196? Time's up. Tashika, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 7. Lexanne, what is 68 over 9 as a mixed number?
Seven and 5 over 9.
That's correct. Lexanne, if $2,700 is decreased by 10%, what's the new amount? Question passes. Tashika, want to try?
Yes, thank you. $2,430.
That is correct. Lexanne, what's the sum of 16.78 and 2.64?
$19.42.
That is correct. Taking us now to the face-off in science. It's between Deja Thomas of Savanna-la-mar Primary up against Damir Houghton of Mount Airy All Age. Deja, which of these gases is used in advertising signs? Is it helium, neon, or oxygen? Damir, want to try?
Yes, thank you, Miss. Neon.
Neon is correct. Deja, when soil is heated, what is removed?
Nutrients.
That's incorrect. Damir, want to try?
No, thank you, Miss.
It's water. Deja, in which part of a plant is starch manufactured? Damir, want to try?
Yes, thank you, Miss. The leaf.
The leaf is correct. Deja, what gas is formed in the upper atmosphere when the ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks down oxygen molecules? Damir, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the ozone. Deja, what's the name given to the type of pulley that can change the direction of a force? Damer, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's a fixed pulley. Damer, we're now over to you. Which of these gases is used in hot air balloons? Is it nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or helium?
Helium.
That's right. Which part of the plant contains most of the nutrients?
The root.
That's incorrect. Deja, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the humus. Damer, which part of a plant contains tiny tubes which carry water from the root?
The stem.
That's right. What's the name for the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction?
Atom.
Yes, that's right. A mountain is an example of which simple machine?
Incline plane.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between Mahalia Van Riel of Savanna-la-mar Primary up against Jacob Buchanan of Mount Airy All Age. Mahalia, what does the contraction isn't mean? That's ISN apostrophe T.
Is not.
That's right. Which five-letter verb starting with E means to force someone out of a home?
Eject.
That's incorrect. Jacob, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's evict. Mahalia, what's the indefinite article in this sentence? The banker is an honest man.
Pass.
Jacob, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's an. Mahalia, spell excursion, which is a journey for pleasure.
ESCERSION.
That's incorrect. Jacob, want to try? Excursion, EXCURSION. Mahalia, what's the reflexive pronoun in this sentence? I did this amazing job by myself.
Amazing.
That's incorrect. Jacob, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's myself. Jacob, we're now over to you. What does the contraction let's mean? As in L-E-T apostrophe S.
Let us.
That's right. Give a five-letter adjective starting with E, which means completely correct or precise.
Pass.
Mahalia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's exact. Jacob, what's the definite article in this sentence? The man was looking for his missing dog.
Missing.
That's incorrect. Mahalia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the. Jacob, spell government, which means the people in charge of a country.
GOVERNMENT.
That's correct. Jacob, what is the possessive pronoun in this sentence? This excellent book is mine to keep.
Mine.
That's correct. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between the captain of Savanna-la-mar Primary, Captain Saheem Burke, who is up against the captain of Mount Airy All Age, Captain Tisson Staple. It's the battle of the captains. We begin with you, Saheem. What's the name for the way of life of particular group of people, including the way they speak or dress?
Their culture.
That's right. Which CARICOM country gained independence on September 21, 1981?
Pass.
Tisson, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's Belize. What is the name, Saheem, what's the name for the imaginary lines that are drawn east to west on a map?
Latitude lines.
That's right. Into which sea does the river Nile flow?
Mediterranean Sea.
That's correct. Paramaribo is the capital of which country? Tisson, want to try?
Yes, Suriname.
Suriname is correct. Tisson, we're now over to you. What's the name for the natural home of a particular type of animal or plant?
Habitat.
That's right. Which Caribbean country gained independence on July 10, 1973?
Jamaica.
That's incorrect. Saheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
The Bahamas. Tisson, what's the name for the process of removal of rocks and soil by rain and wind?
Soil erosion.
That's correct. Judges, accepted? That is correct. Tison, into which ocean does the Amazon River flow?
Atlantic Ocean.
That's correct. Castries is the capital of which country?
St. Lucia.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Savanna-la-mar on 14 and Mount Airy on 23. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winner right after this break.